So first take a bowl, add water, add flattened rice. This is called poha also. Wash it thoroughly. Now strain all the poha like this. Now transfer the poha to this. Rest it for 5 minutes. Rest it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix the poha well until it is mashed thoroughly. Just I'm adding little water for the smooth consistency. Now let's add a boiled potato. Boiled potato. If you want, you can add a grated potato also. I'm adding directly. So now everything mixed well. Now let's add some veggies. Finely chopped coriander, finely chopped green chilies, and finely chopped onions. And boiled peas, salt, red chili powder, amchur powder, chaat masala, roasted jeera powder. Mix everything. Now the dough is ready. So I prepare the tikis. Apply oil to the hands. Prepare like this. I'll prepare all the patties and again I'll show. I have prepared the pickles. Now this is rice flour. I'm adding water and make a slurry. Adding a little more water. And these are homemade bread crumbs. Okay, first take the tikki, dip into the rice flour slurry. Okay, now take it out and coat with the bread crumbs. Like this, we'll prepare all the tikkis and after that we'll shallow fry on the flame. Let's fry our poha. Now I'm going to move it. our crispy and hot poha cutlets recipe.